Okay, we're going to start by creating a rectangle made out of lines. So let's start with a line. I want to make sure that it's going horizontal, so I'll turn ortho on. I'll go this direction, 158. And you can see that it won't let me pull the rest of it out, so I'll just type in the other commands. So I need to go up 14. So I'll type in 0, 14. Come back this direction, 158. C to close. I'll use the offset command, 46. And I'll offset these lines to the inside at 46. Let's go back to offset, 54. I'll offset these lines in. Go back to the offset command, use 2. And then finally one more offset with 3. Okay, now I'm ready to start trimming. So I'll trim. And I'll trim off these 2 lines here. And I'll go ahead and take off the corners as well. Next, I'll start with this line here and I'll trim it up. Do the same on the other side. And I'll get rid of the line here in the middle. Next thing I'll do is I'll trim these lines down. Trim off the extra parts on the outside. And then finally trim this part on the inside. Fillet, radius, 3. And I'll fillet these corners. And I should have used the multiple option. I'll just go back to fillet and fillet these 2. Join it together. Make sure that you get that you're creating one polyline at the bottom. Take a look at this in an isometric view. Extrude. A distance of 74. I'll switch over to the solid tab. Fillet edge. Radius. 12. Then I'll fillet where all these corners are. Okay, let's flip this downward. So I'll switch into the wireframe mode and switch to the rotate gizmo. Select my shape, select the red axis, and orient it like so. Let's go ahead and create a cylinder. Once again, with this face highlighted, I'll come near the arc. And once I get the center light up, I'll go and click on the center. This has a diameter of 10. And once again, I'm going to go downward, make sure that it's at least 14 long. So 20 should be fine. Switch to the top view. And I'm just going to rotate this back by using this arrow. Switch back to the Home tab, and I'll use the regular mirror command. Select the cylinder. Go from this midpoint to that midpoint. Do that again. This time I'll select these 2 cylinders. Then I'm going to go from this midpoint to that midpoint. take a look at this in an isometric. One last step we need to do is subtract. Select the main object I want to keep. And then I'm going to select the other two objects, or four objects, that I want to subtract. Switch over to shades of gray, and it should be completed. Make sure that you save this one as your base.